Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today we're working on the VW Scirocco. This is 2-litre TDI, and now this is going to be the same on the Audis, obviously Golfs and everything else that got TDI engine in it. This is 2009 model, but a lot of years suffer with this issue. So you got a fault code P2015, and usually there's few issues that can cause that. One of them is this unit. I'll show you where it's located. So just take the cover off. And that's the unit. It's here. So you got the plug, obviously, as you can see, it's just sitting there like that. The other issue that causes it is the manifold. You might have a plastic one as well, so there's a few different engines, the 2-litre ones. So it's the flaps that inside the manifold, they don't work properly when either this fails or the stop in the actual manifold fails. Hence you can buy a little upgrade here. So this is the first fix. He's buying the little bracket that you can get for 10 quid. I'll put the link in the description below. But you need to double check which one you actually got. Because there's two different types depending on which unit you have. And if you got the, obviously, alloy or plastic one. So this is for the alloy one. As you can see, 10 quid for this little bit. And it does fix the most of the issues. Because what it does, when you fit it on there, it stops it moving too far. So when the stopper is broken on it, it obviously stops it. With this unit, and then the car should be running fine. Now in my case, this bit worked for a while, but afterwards the actual unit failed as well. So just to show you, if you do buy this bit, it comes with 2 parts, well 3 parts including the screw. So you literally have to locate it like that, tie it up, and then after you're going to use the screw that holds the actual bit there as well to hold it in place. So to fit it on is really easy. You literally just have to move this bit in a little bit. If locks on there, as you can see, release it. So what happens, that will stay on there. Then when we're fitting the unit back in, as you can see, the bolt will go through and secure it on there as well. But don't worry, this bit ain't gonna fall off as long as you locked it in place properly. So that should be fine. So like I said, this is the fix number 1, and hopefully it will work for most of you. That way you're only gonna cost you about 10 quid to fix this fault code. But now let's move on and obviously show you how to actually remove it, and what you need to be careful with, not to drop the spring, and how to move this bit off as well. But I'm going to show you today in this video how to remove it, and it's pretty easy. You only got 3 Torx 30 screws there, 1 at the bottom, 2 at the top. You have to unplug this plug there, and then you have got a spring behind there that you need to try and grab when you're removing the unit. And there's also a little plastic tab that sits on here that you need a tool similar to this one to pop it off of there, and just some pliers to grab the spring. I'm going to show you how to do it now. I removed my new unit just obviously for the purpose of this video. So first thing I would recommend is actually to disconnect at least the negative cable on the battery. Obviously make sure the ignition is off. Once that is done, I would use a tool like this to lift the tab up a little bit. Just push it back, or just get under there and lift the plastic bit. Unplug. What I usually would do is put a lot of paper there, or a towel, and a magnet. So I just stick it in there under the unit. It's literally just in case the spring does come off. It shouldn't come off if you're being careful enough. So just put it there, and like I said, now I'm going to start undoing the Torx 30s. So just start by undoing them. Right guys, so I removed the bottom one, put it somewhere safe. Now you can remove the top ones as well, they're undone. Just be careful, make sure the unit doesn't move too much. You don't want that spring to drop. So just grab hold of it with the other hand. I do apologize that I can't get the camera in there, but I'm just trying to show you the best I can. So at this stage, you should be able to see the spring. As you can see, it's located down there. Sorry, I'm trying to focus it, but the spring is down there. And what you need is some pliers. I do apologize if the quality ain't great. I'm just filming with my phone today. So you have to grab hold of the spring, and you'll be able to unhook it from there first. And there you go, just come off. Right, and the next step is to pop that plastic bit off. Use a tool like this, the trim tool. Just grab hold of the unit with one hand and it just pops off. So at this stage you can get the unit out of there. So obviously that's the new unit that fixed the problem. I just wanted to show you how to remove the tool. So if you look here, like I said, I had a magnet there, but I'm just going to show you quickly how it works. Right, so if you actually grab it there, the plastic bit, you can move it backwards and forwards, and that basically moves the flap inside the manifold. So that's what the unit does. But obviously you don't need to do that, but just feel that it's free, that there's actually some movement on there, that it's not seized. And if it's free, like I said, in my case, fitting that bit on the old unit didn't help because the actual unit failed itself. That's why I bought this aftermarket one. 50-60 quid, like I said, link will be in the description below. I just fitted it without fitting the other bit on here, just fit it as it is, and it seems to be working perfectly fine. I've used the car now for a week and haven't had any issues so far. So to fit it on there, obviously in reverse order, just make sure you put again a bit of a blue roll there or something and a magnet just in case you drop the spring. But it's pretty easy. Just locate the unit in there. Obviously get the spring on. You can actually get the spring on here first. I usually put it on here first, then put it there, and using the grips in the same time as I'm putting it in here, I just clip it on that bit there. So pull it all the way out like it is now, and you will be able to clip the spring on there. And then obviously don't forget to pop the plastic bit on, and that should be on there afterwards. Just do it up, plug it in, and once you connected the battery, it should clear automatically the code because you obviously had the battery disconnected. If not, use the diagnostic tool to clear it, and hopefully that will fix your problem, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you need any more help, please comment below and let me know. I'll be more than happy to provide you more videos. And yeah, give us a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye.